Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to break down something that a lot of people have been asking about, and honestly, I was curious myself. It's called flood of traffic, and the reason it stands out is because it promises something most beginners struggle with: consistent daily leads without ads, social media, or any complicated setup. After going through the system and seeing how it works, I want to give you a clear and straightforward look at what it actually offers. The idea behind flood of traffic is surprisingly simple. You tap into a massive website with millions of real users and use a built-in loophole that brings in 200 new leads per day. These aren't random bots or low-quality traffic. These are people already interested in online income, who open emails, click links, and in many cases, buy. The creators show years of results from Warrior Plus and JVZoo that were all generated using this same source of daily compounding traffic. What I found interesting is that you don't need a website, autoresponder, or even experience. You just log in once a day, choose one of the done-for-you emails, paste it, click send, and that's it. Every day your list grows, your clicks grow, and your earning potential grows. They even give you a done-for-you offer that pays up to 100% commissions on the funnel, along with email swipes and a simple daily strategy. If you've been stuck trying to get traffic or you're tired of complicated methods that never deliver, this might be something worth exploring. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next video.